Hi, Namaste. This video is actually me inviting you for a 30-day journey with me. 30 days where you and I, all of us, will be practicing together right here on this particular channel. This new year, I am going to be uploading videos for 30 days. All the practices are going to be in 15 minutes of duration, so none of the practices are long. Exciting part is, all this journey is actually starting from 2nd Jan. Every day I'm going to be uploading the video at 7 AM Indian Standard Time on this particular channel. You can invite your friends for this journey so you have some accountability buddies and share your realizations, experiences with them. You will need nothing for this journey. If you are already an existing practitioner, I got you covered. If you are new into the world of yoga, movement, breathing, don't worry, I got you covered as well in this journey. Every practice is going to be approachable for everyone out there. This journey is called Mindful 30, and this journey will try our best to take all these experiences and realizations from the mat beyond and off the mat in our real life. And if you want to start your journey right now, you don't want to wait for a particular day, I have a Begin Year series which will prepare you beautifully. I am really excited and I'm really looking forward to practicing with all of you. So yes, let's do this together and hang on with me. Thank you, and I hope you have a beautiful day ahead. Wish you a very happy new year.